Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on the application of Brave. We will go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about the application of Brave and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors on your app. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.